Do you ever wonder how some couples manage to keep their relationship strong despite the miles between them? Welcome to a discussion about the dynamics of long-distance relationships and how to navigate them successfully. Firstly, communication. The cornerstone of any relationship, it becomes even more crucial when distance comes into play. Prioritize regular and meaningful conversations. Discuss your day, share your thoughts, and keep each other updated. However, remember the importance of quality over quantity. It's not about being in constant contact, but about meaningful interactions. Secondly, trust and honesty. Long-distance relationships demand a high degree of trust. Be honest with your feelings and expect the same from your partner. Remember, trust builds over time and requires consistent effort from both sides. Next, let's focus on setting goals. Having a mutual understanding of what you both want from the relationship can help maintain a sense of direction. Discuss your future plans, when you can see each other next, and how you plan to eventually close the distance. Additionally, celebrate together. In a long-distance relationship, you may miss out on celebrating special occasions together. But with a little creativity, you can still share these moments. Watch the same movie, order the same food, or even send each other surprise gifts. Lastly, but most importantly, patience. Patience is the key to surviving a long-distance relationship. Understand that there will be challenges and setbacks, but with patience and perseverance, you can overcome them. To summarize, maintaining a long-distance relationship requires communication, trust, honesty, setting mutual goals, celebrating together, and above all, patience. It may seem daunting, but remember, every relationship, whether close or far, requires effort and dedication. In the end, the miles between you don't matter, it's the love that bridges the gap. So, if you find yourself in a long-distance relationship, take heart. With the right mindset and tools, you can make it work. Remember, love knows no boundaries or distances.